going to our new house, mommy. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya. I film all kinds of pink girly beauty and fashion and lifestyle videos on this channel. Lots of home decor going on here, lots of pink. So if you're into that, subscribe. Today we are doing my very first moving vlog. The movers come today. Not today because I'm pre-filming this intro, but when you're watching this, this is the day the movers will be coming. So we did get the pink moving truck again, and we're actually going to be using the pink moving truck this time because you guys know the last time I moved within the same complex, so my movers just moved everything up to our unit, which was on a higher floor. Yeah, we didn't get to use a pink moving truck, so this time we get to use a pink moving truck. I still posed and stuff with the pink moving truck because come on, it's a pink moving truck, it's iconic. In that video where we didn't use it, yeah, I still did clips and stuff of it because it's iconic, but we didn't use the truck. A lot of you guys were confused, I'm so sorry. But yeah, no, I moved literally upstairs. So I've been living in this building 2 years. So even though it seems like I'm moving a lot, kind of am, but not really because we were in the same building. We've been in LA for 2 years and we're ready for a new environment. So that's not really the only reason we're moving. There's a lot of factors that played into us deciding to move. If you want to know why we're moving, just go ahead and check out my packing part 1, which I will link right here somewhere. And yeah, watch that first and that explains to you why we're moving, where my head was at, what's happening. The intros beforehand, and I'm gonna look the same in all of them because I want to have no excuses to post this series. Like, if it's because of an intro, because I didn't get ready, no girl, it's not, because it's filmed already. So all I'm gonna be doing is vlogging my day today and showing you guys me moving. So today is gonna be the actual moving day and I'm very excited for you guys to see the pink moving truck, for you guys to see the new place. I'm sure you guys are sick and tired of hearing me talk. Let's get into the moving vlog. Hey my loves, Tanya from the future here. I know today you're watching my moving vlog. I wanted to insert this here. I am sitting in my brand new empty beauty room closet and I need a break, okay? I need to basically take a little skincare break, take a breather, because it's a lot of changes, unpacking, moving, and all of this has been taking me out. So I wanted to take a moment in between all of the moving and unpacking and just do self-care. Highly recommend you guys do some form of self-care in between moving. If you're moving, it's probably my #1 hack in order to re-energize and recharge yourself, to do all the things you need to do to settle in. It's just to take care of yourself, and I cannot stress this enough. Take care of yourself. I want to thank Amiro for sponsoring today's video and helping me get in a little self-care in between this move. I just got the new Amiro 5-in-1 Therapy Facial Mask. Get my skin looking a little better. My skin has been struggling throughout this move. I have a lot of under eye circles. I have some swelling and puffiness due to allergies and things from moving and the weather. And here I'm a little congested. I've been doing all the things with vitamins and stuff for my body. My matcha here, which you guys know is detoxifying and helps de-swell. I just love a good tea. Now we need to focus on some skincare. My skincare has been packed for like a week and a half now, and I've been using like little samples and things. Just doing my face mask, and I couldn't be more excited to take a little moment today to just do this. Before using the mask, you guys, I've already double cleansed my skin so that it's nice and ready. I guess we'll start out by putting on the Hydra Glow Serum here. This has collagen, arginine, sodium hyaluronate. It's basically anti-wrinkle and firming properties. We all know we need collagen. If you're in your 30s like me, collagen, collagen, collagen. I can't stress it enough. It's so nice and hydrating. Wow, it's just so hydrating. This is what the mask looks like on the inside. It has protection for your eyes built in, which is super nice. And these are super soft. Like, I don't know what this material is, but it's like so soft. Just have like easy to wipe right here, and you just basically put it on like this, you guys. And then you look like a Power Ranger. Come with a remote control, which is so nice. This lights up in blue, red, green, yellow, and infrared, you guys, and each one targets different skin concerns, which I'll overlay right here. To get this set up, you want to connect your remote to the mask. So the remote gets plugged in one side, mask the other, like this. You just put on the mask and choose your desired mode. The meaning about this eye protection is you can actually use this and watch TV, be on your phone, or whatever you want to do while you're doing this treatment. So it's really nice, and it makes it go by really fast. You are done. You want to finish off with the rest of your skincare product. And my moisturizer. We need sunscreen. Do you see all that sun hitting me right now? Need that sunscreen, girl, every single day, all the way down. So that moisturizer. I always like to put the leftover on my hands and my neck. Concludes my little me time break in between all of this moving. It's so nice to be able to take a little break in between the packing and do something for me, a little me time, a little skincare, a little bit of pampering. Miro mask makes that so much easier. Happy to receive this at the time I did. It was right before we started moving and I've been using it these past few weeks. We've been unboxing and it's just been mwah, God sent. Like, I don't even have to have all my skincare unpacked right now or any of my fancy schmancy face masks because this really takes care of it. Just feel like I'm doing like a spa treatment at home and it just feels so nice, so luxurious and expensive. You can have at least one device at home to make yourself feel like you're at a luxurious like med spa. Just feel like you're getting a luxurious face treatment. I just would say choose one and have one at home at least, because it really is game changing to just be able to do some of this stuff at home sometimes when you're in between something like a hectic move, you know what I mean? Or even if you're just like a mama and you need to have your me time and you don't have time to go be getting all these treatments, having stuff like this is just chef's kiss. So okay, back to the moving vlog. Going to our new house, mommies. Look at your new home. Look at what expensive thing mommy bought for you. You spoiled little brats. Look, mommies.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy. I can't believe it came so quick.
This is so beautiful. I love the view. Oh, you're gonna have a bathtub. Oh, you're gonna have
finally.
No, it brings me memories of like in Vegas the Cosmo. We always stay at the Cosmo.
Yeah.
Like, and then it has that. Yep. There we go.
Now let's give you guys an empty apartment. Starting at the door. This is the door. You're like, okay, Tanya, we don't care about the door.
No, but for sure that you need
Yeah.
here.
You have the entry. This is the vibes. It's a little dark right now because the lighting is facing the other way. We have our thermostat. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on because our movers are gonna be freaking hot.
Look at that.
Yes. And then we have the kitchen. Okay. This is a selling point for me, was this kitchen. I drooled. So I love how excited she is. She knows she's gonna live here part-time. So. So this is what I'm most excited about in this entire apartment right here. This is such a luxury. Like, this is a luxury, you guys. Like, I used to own a house, so going from like having to do my laundry in like a laundry room with other people, and I'm an introvert. No, I hated doing laundry. No, you guys are gonna laugh. I have not done my laundry since I found out we're moving because I'm not gonna pay to do my laundry and then deal with people at the other complex. So I put all my laundry, like I separated by color, put it in like.
And you can finally leave it
so I can wash here.
You can wash it and go do errands and come back.
Fridge, and I was so excited when I saw the refrigerator. These are such nice appliances, like stuff here.
Yeah.
And this right here.
Oh my God.
Water, ice, the iced coffees, guys. My Breville is gonna go right here. My coffee machine.
The little big things, right?
The little thing. It's a little.
The littles, but they make a huge difference. Yeah,
In this
brand
fridge.
new. You don't have to go down like the other one.
Yeah, like look at the organization.
And then that one, the door opens like. And then
the
you're
things
free.
I will organize in this. And then of course, the freezer is enormous.
I love.
Excuse me, like I haven't had a full-size fridge since my house.
Thank you.
My house fridge was this size, but it was definitely not this nice. It was way nicer. All of this storage, like right now.
All the pink Stanleys.
All the pink Stanleys have a place now. This is quartz, actually, and then it has a model in the back. So cute.
You don't have to switch it like that. I don't think so. It's so nice like that.
So much storage. So much room for activities. So much room. And of course we have the stove, a microwave.
Brand new washer.
A cute little dishwasher.
I love counters, so huge.
Look at all these settings.
Let me see this.
This is how you know, how do they say your frontal lobe? This is how you know your frontal lobe has developed. Because you're excited about stuff like this.
Exactly. Now you can read and look at her. There you go. You can wait for Manny here. Honey, dinner is served.
Dinner served.
Exactly. You get your stools, and now you can actually work here too with the beautiful view. Even Manny can work here like that.
Okay, let's show you guys.
The view.
Oh, the view. First of all, oh wait. You have to see this. Look, there's a button over here. Stop it right now.
Fancy.
Stop it right now.
Fancy.
Like this is legit. Like I can do my morning routine like.
Yeah, you can walk. Yeah. I love
Look
it.
at the coat closet. It's normal.
Nice. No, but I mean, we need every little space. It's really appreciated.
So this is going to be the girly/guest bathroom. And lights. Okay.
More storage. And more storage there.
More storage.
Well, exactly. More storage.
I can't wait. I want to show
This is my bathroom.
I mean, the lighting gives. And then in here, this is going to be my new beauty room. This is what I was telling you guys. It's a downsize, but
The view.
it's an upgrade.
The view is just.
Yeah. This also has the little lines, and then it does have this really massive, but it's like wall-to-wall closet.
Nice.
So I can put clothes.
The bags and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put like a vanity here for makeup, and then we're gonna have an ottoman.
Very long time, the other one, so.
Yes. So now my everyday closet is my gym stuff and my
The lifestyle
my
closet.
normal clothes, not my glam clothes. My glam clothes will go in that room. We'll go and maybe say hello. We'll go in this closet, which is really nice size for a couple.
Nice.
Yeah.
I want to see how
So
long
we'll
that's
probably
gonna
have Manny
last.
stuff right
Probably,
here.
yeah, exactly. And then
that's
the
it.
rest. That's what I was
The
saying.
rest
She's like a normal couple.
Like a
can't
normal, I
wait.
took over the whole house. So the bed will go here, and this is one of my favorite things besides from the washer and dryer.
Oh my god, I'm already picturing your lifestyle videos, like waking up from here with your
Exactly.
coffee and opening.
From the bedroom, and look at this.
Hey, like very New York.
The first time I came out here, I was like,
Oh my god. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm so high up in the air. It's been so long since I lived in a high rise.
Good thing you don't drink matches.
I need a couple.
Jack, you need like Jack.
Yeah, so Manny went to go open the door for the movers. That's why he's not here right now, but he's very excited also. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention, because a lot of people in high rises, they're like, how do you get fresh air? Besides the balcony, these windows actually open. See the little latch? And you can get fresh air. It's just perfect. It's perfection. I have a theory, you're not depressed.
You're just poor.
You're just
Okay.
poor.
How we think alike.
You're just broke.
Exactly.
I have to let the cats out of the cage and put their litter box, set it all up, so that my babies, you know, we don't want them to like potty on themselves. That would be very awful. You don't want to pee on yourself, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let my babies out.
No, una.
Oh, babies. Oh, you babies.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride.
Okay, guys, our pink movers are here. While we wait for the movers to finish, we're gonna watch Gossip Girl. I'm gonna put the screen and watch Gossip Girl in Josetti's car.